Hello folks, so in this video I wanted to show you how the hygiene conditions are near places where there are eateries, right? So here you can actually see a lot of garbage around, right? It's even scary to actually be around here because there are probably many mosquitoes around here which are carrying dengue and whatnot. So you can actually see a lot of garbage around and even wet sand here, right? And then there are eatery places around here, right? And then there are also eatery places around this corner also. So if you come around and notice, this is a place where people dump waste, I think, right? So then there are eatery places around here, right? And you can actually see dump waste and all that over here. So interestingly, there is also a church over here. So it's just sad that there is so much waste around, and then there are eatery places around the same place, and then there is a holy place, a church over here. And you can also see I don't know, super sucking machine is actually standing, probably to suck up some drainage or whatever. But yeah, I mean, why is it unnecessarily standing here? And I don't know what it contains inside. But yeah, I mean, what is the level of hygiene of the place? It's questionable. And like I said, it's just scary because probably there are so many mosquitoes around that can actually carry dengue and whatnot. And the crazy part is there is actually a pay and use toilet over here, which is around the corner over here. So this building around the corner is actually a pay and use toilet, right? So that's also a thing. It's a pay and use toilet, and actually recently it has been renovated, I think. And the interesting part is there's also another holy place around, which is a masjid, a Muslim holy place. And but I think this place is mostly neat. But still, previously it was actually bad. Now I think it seems neat. Let me show you one more thing now. Actually, let me make another video of that. But I just wanted to say that I'm actually in a here. So this is actually a eatery place. And you can actually see how there is garbage around over here, just in front of the eatery place, right? So people are selling juice over here, and there is garbage over here, and inside there is clean food, and inside there is clean food, and I'm like wondering what the hell are these people doing. And interestingly, there is also mosquitoes around over here. I don't think my phone can capture them, but then there is like garbage over here and mosquitoes around, and there is actually water inside over here, inside this thing, right? That I can't capture as of now. And there's also a pharmacy, and interestingly there are also some waste items over here. For example, over here some wood items and a lot of waste over here, right? And that around the corner. So imagine that, like, I'm trying to come to a business area, and then I notice so much garbage around a business area which is supposed to be clean because it's actually selling food. And then you notice all this. How do you expect it? How do you expect me to actually go and buy food or buy healthy, hygienic items from there? Like, it just doesn't give me a good impression. And also it shows that they don't care because, I mean, they don't care because, like, well, this is going to attract mosquitoes, probably dengue, which carry dengue, malaria and whatnot, and it will affect the people who are actually coming here and visiting this place to buy food and whatnot, right? So I think it's a bad idea. It's a bad thing. The business has to do something about it. I will actually thrash them publicly. I'll just go and probably talk to them, and also put this on my YouTube, and just in case someone notices, yeah, I'll put this on a separate video also. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.